Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, Miss Julie, can you lead the prayer?
In the Father, and the Son, and the Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
All right. Are you sleepy, guys?
Yes,
ma'am. Okay. Stretch your arms and legs. And then, let's have a short exercise first. Okay? Just follow my actions. Clap at the top of your head. And rotate your arms. 1, 2, 3. Backward. 1, 2, 3. And stretch your feet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And jump. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now take your seat. So, are you now energetic, guys?
Yes.
Very good. But before we start our lesson, I will be having a short game. And you have to group yourself into 5. You will now count from 1 to 5.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5. Okay? I have here flashcards, and every flashcard has different problems. And you have to solve it in just 1 minute. For the fastest who can solve and pass it with me, will have a reward after the lesson. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2.
Do not start yet.
Okay.
Okay? Miss Joanna, are you ready? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Group 1 and followed by group 5. Followed by group 4. And the last is group 3. Okay, let me check first. So the group 1, the group 2, the fastest who answer the given problem. So can you explain? Can you state your problem with your answer?
The problem is 2 over x is equal to 1 over 8. So what I did is to multiply, is to first multiply both sides. So 2 times 8 is equal to 16, and x times 1 is equal to 1. So 16 is equal, x times 1 is equal to x, so 16 is equal to, x is equal to 16.
Very good. Let's give her a round of applause. So your answer is correct. Very good. Group 2, group 1.
The given is 9 divided by 12 is equal to x divided by 3, and my answer is the x is equal to
Do you understand class?
Yes.
Very good. Now, Miss Jeline, can you read the first sentence?
When two ratios are equal in value, then they are said to be in proportion.
Very good. So, as what Jeline said, when the two ratios are equal in value, then they are said to be proportion. So, fundamental law of proportions are also called as fundamental rule of proportions mean cross multiply. So, what do you mean by fundamental law of proportions, class? Anyone? What do you mean by fundamental law of proportions? Yes, Miss Joanna.
Means cross multiply.
Very good, very good. So the fundamental law of proportion is if F A over B is equal to C over D, then BC and AD is equal. Did you get, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So A and B and C and D are equal. Okay? So the term A and D are referred to as the extreme. So what is the A and D, class?
The extreme.
Very good, class. And then the term B and C are the means. So what is the B and C? Means. Very good. It states that the product of the means is equal to the product of the extreme. So the product of the mean, which is B and C, and the product of the extreme A and D is
Equal.
very good, very good. For example, x over 4 is equals to 2 over 16. So how can you solve it? We have to cross multiply the 2. So x times 16 and 4 times 2, which becomes 16x is equals to 4 by 2. So 16x. And we have to put the 16 so that we can crush down the 16. So it will be left over by x. So 4 times x over 16. So x is equals to 8 over 16. So x is equal to 0.5. So why do you think that the final answer is equals to 0.5? Anyone? Yes, Ms. Joanna.
I think
Okay, so when we divide the 8 over 16, it becomes 1/2. That is the decimal version. So 0.5 is the same as 1 over 2, which is 1/2. So another example. 51 over 57 is equal to 3x over 19. So we have to cross multiply it. So 51 times, what is it, guys? 19. 51 times 19 is equal to 57 times 3x. So, what is 51 times 19? You may use your calculator. 969. Very good. And 57 times 3x. 171x. Very good. Next, what do you think will be the next step? Okay, very good. So we have to divide it 171 to find the x. So 171 is cancelled, so it will be left over by x. So 969 divided by 171. 5.67. Very good. Labrador? Thank you. So, can you explain your answer?
So the given is x plus 3 over 2 is equal to 5x minus 2 over 3. So to simplify it, cross multiplies both sides. So x plus 3 times 3. So x plus 3 times 3 is equal to 3x plus 9. Then 5x minus 2 times 2 is equal to 10x minus 4. So 3x minus 10x is equal to negative 4 minus 9. So 3x minus 10x is equal to negative 7x. Then negative 4 minus 19 is equal to negative 13. So cancel out negative 7 to find x. So negative 13 is over negative 13 over negative 7 is equal to 13 over 7. So this is the value of x.
Thank you. Let's give her a round of applause. Very good class. So for the last example, who wants to try? Yes, Miss Jeline. Very good. So the final answer of the given x minus 5 over 3 is equals to 4x minus 3 over 5 is 2.28. So the x is equals to 2.28. Very good. Let's give her a round of applause. Okay, class. So do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. So if you have no questions, let's proceed to our activity. So, but before that, kindly read the rubrics.
Accuracy. 5. All the answers presented are correct. 4. Some of the answers presented are correct. 3. Only one answer is correct. Cooperation. 5. All the members of the group cooperate actively. 4. Some members of the group cooperate. 3. Most of the members did not cooperate. Time frame. 5. Finish the activity on time. 4. Almost finished the activity on the allotted time. 3. Did not finish the activity on time.
Very good. Now, you know the rubrics, so I will be giving you a flashcards, and I will group you into 5. Please count off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And Okay? You may now start. I will give you 2 minutes to answer the problem. If you're done, you may pass it to me. Okay, thank you. Group 2, followed by group 5, followed by group 3. Followed by group 4. And the last but not the least, group 1. Thank you. So for the group 2, who finished it first? Let's check your answers. So the given is x times 3 is equals to 2 times 9. So x times 3 is equals to 2 times 9. So cross multiply it, 3x is equals to 18, and cancel the 3 to find the x, which is, the final answer is 6. So let's check if your answer is correct. Very good. So for the accuracy, are all the answers presented correct?
Yes, ma'am.
5 points. Did all the members cooperate?
Yes, ma'am.
Another 5. Did you finish the activity on time?
Yes, ma'am.
Another 5 points. 15 points. Next is group 5. So the given problem is 6 over 18 is equal to 2 over y. And the final answer is y is equals to 6, which is correct. Very good. So, all the answers presented correct.
Yes,
5 points. Did all the members cooperate? Let's give them 4 points. Did you finish on time? 5 points. You have 14 points. Followed by the group 3. The given problem is x over 6 is equal to 4 over 12. And the final answer is x is equal to 2. Which is correct. So all the answers presented are correct. 5 points. Did all the members cooperate? Group 3?
Yes.
5 points. Did you finish on time? 4 points. So minutes to answer your quiz. Timer starts now. You can answer it directly. For those who are finished, you can pass it directly to me. Thank you. Take your time, class. Very good, class. You are so fast. Very good. Now, can you copy your assignments in your notebook? Are you done, class? Okay. Take your time. Are you done? Yes.